Hey guys, what's up? Today we're going to cover how to erase all data on your iPhone SE. If you're looking to sell or give away your iPhone, privacy is usually the biggest concern. The best way to wipe your data is by performing a hard reset. A hard reset will restore your phone to factory settings and erase all data. Before we begin, make sure your device is powered on. Once your device is on the home screen, find and select the Settings app. Then scroll down and select General. On the next screen, scroll all the way down to Reset. Select Erase All Content and Settings. Select Erase iPhone. Once again, select Erase iPhone to confirm. Please note, if you're logged into your iCloud account or have a password, you will need to input it. Wait for the factory reset to complete and you're done. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like the video, or leave a comment. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching. Until next time.